Hiya, folks. So, hello, everybody. I'm just fine tuning a few things. All right, that's better. So, yeah. How are things, guys? And ladies and gents, how's everybody doing? Is everybody all right? Everything okay? Glad to hear that. Well, it's Friday, and I can say we are ready for the weekend. I say cheers for that, guys. I kind of like it. It's yeah, we had an update on Roblox Studio, and also in this stream, yeah, we're going to work on the UI design. I still need to do plenty of stuff, as you see, because if I just click here, nothing really happened. So we definitely need to change that behavior. So we have plenty of things to do. Let me put my music a little bit more down. I need to check something, guys. Yeah, everything is fine. Sometimes I need to check the Twitch thing out because I had some errors in there. So I don't really want that. But, you know, it is what it is. So yeah, like I said, we're going to work on the UI design. Also, yeah, I need to do also other things. Hi, thank you, Bazinga. Oh yeah, we know what that is. Bazinga. now, now I know the show, but I kind of forgot the name. That's really bad. Hello. So yeah, we just going to work on something, and yeah, let's see what we actually come up with today. Also, I still need to do a ton of things because I kind of forgot to do the aura thing. Now soon I might want to try to do a lot of stuff. I don't have it, guys. Ooh, we need to write those down. That's crazy. We need to write. Oh wait, I forgot really everything there. I can tell that's not good. So yeah, we need to write a ton of stuff. Of course, I will write those things later on. I'm not really a script guy, so I kinda don't know how to do everything. But I think I will, well, do my best, I think. So, is that the backboard? Oh, yeah, the button frame. So I need to see how I can do this. Let's go to the intro. I don't know what the options are. The only thing what I want is when I press that button or when you come up with, you see that. Hey, it's just Robbie. How are you? So I'm not really a script guru, but I just want to see what can be done with this, because then yeah, that will be good, I guess. So probably you will go first to the intro font, but I think I need to do pages, isn't it? I got a feeling of that. And I'm not really a guy that don't know anything about this. Um, Page. So, gamepad, scrolling wheel, touch thing. There can be. I have actually how I say that. I had a second one, a second page. TVS enough probably. That's what you kind of know me from. That can be a thing. No, I actually don't need this. So I'm just looking into solutions right here. So like I said, I'm not really a guy that know my thing. I know it's intro. What can I do on here? Can I do select on image? Appearance. Alright. So okay. I'm just learning here, guys. So I just wanted to see what's going on here. What's this? Okay. So can I actually need to see how I can do this. Center, so that's really good. Yeah, that's good. I'm just looking what I can do in here. We need to have the pages. So we need to make the pages. And that's all with the frames. And actually, this one is pretty well good done. Alright, let's select this one here. Let's grab that there. I also want to have an image. So this one is probably just this. I don't really need the frame, is it? Yeah, I need the frame, by the way. So this is my frame, and I want to have it politely. I also want to have round corners. Normally, I'm not really a big fan about that, but I actually need it. And I'm just going to copy this because this is actually the right one. So it has actually nice stuff in here. Although I actually wonder, can I do radius? Can I do this? I don't know what that is. Okay. Then I can do a circle. Interesting. I'm just trying to learn here, guys. So, let's see. I really need to have this. So these are the pages. Uh, help pages. So that's where I have those frames. And I don't want to have a scroll bar yet. So I'm actually, I do know what I'm doing, but it is. I think I don't need even the round corners, but if I think of it. I can put this one a little bit here. No, this is already the right angle. I always want to have a good angle with that. So, okay. What do we need? First, I need to have is that text label or text box? Is that a text box? Yeah, that's a text box. We just need to. Can I just not make it the same thing like that? Like the help pages? That makes my life a ton easier. I forgot to anchor point this. So let's do that first. Always nice when I have an idea. And I forgot that I actually need to have the transparency back on. That was my very smart idea so far. Can I use my... That's a shame. I wish that you can actually do that. That's in the middle? Okay, I take it. So this one can go up a little bit. I like this. Now it can be transparent there. And then I got that. Then I can copy the same height as that. Although I might need to delete the one over there. Or on the size. I need to go a little bit crazy. Let's take this as 6. And let's take that one as 29 or 28. No, 29. I still need to line up, so no worries. Oh, that's the mainframe body. Let's give this a different color for once. Otherwise, I'm not sure And I can see it. That makes it not easy, I can tell you that. Let's just give it a green one because I'm using white. And also, if I'm smart, I actually turn this one up. Absolutely fine. I'm quite happy. Although this one can go up a little notch. I think I can still use the same. Wait. I still forgot. I still forgot something, guys. Hold on. Help pages. Position. Also not important. Let's copy that. I also need to put an image on there, so you know. I was trying to do something and I don't know what I did. Yes, I know what I was doing. I've got to anchor it. Let's not forget that. Let's do the position. I got that as a thing over there. And I need to if I do something wrong, please let me know. Looks quite nice, I think. I really did stuff. I really do. No sarcasm, by the way. Let's put it just like this. Just designing. I just want to make it perfect. And I don't really care about that, but that's the box. So I'm fine with that, basically. That looks quite good, if I'll be honest. I can actually live with this. Also, it's a lot cleaner. So that's actually nice. I need to have a ton, but this is just the intro. Intro page. Now I know that I still need to have something for my text above in the place. So I'm probably going to glue a little bit stuff in there. But yeah, that will be actually really nice. I'm just looking for some yeah, you know, entry points. You want to say it like that. Uh, well, the help page is basically done. So I don't need to have the background anymore. So basically that's gone. And now I need to focus on this one. Now the fun part is I can actually yeah, make this smaller and higher. Also I need to yeah, if there is a scroll text, I actually need to add something to that element to let it scroll. So that's actually really nice. But the intro page is just the intro page. So that's kind of cool. But I know that I need to make something out there. So I'm just going to make the next page. Just duplicate it for now. And I call this non-bugs. I do not have not a lot of bugs, but there are a couple. I think I have 2 in here. That's with the camera with the gamepad. But also I don't know if you call that a bug, but with the waterfalls, that kind of look funky. But I must be honest. If I do, um, the waterfall is always a pain in the ass. If I be honest. So, for the intro, I actually need to have a logo for that. So I really want to put that over there, kinda. Intro page. I kind of like that with that. Can I actually type in there? What? No way. Can I use enter too? No. Shift enter. How do you put a rich text in there? I mean, is that possible? How do you do that? Yeah, man. What? I don't. How do you do that? That one. Just typing. Bazooka frenzy. Oh yeah, man. I actually tell you, yeah, that one's actually cool. Bazooka frenzy. Text alignment. Well, let's make it left. Center. No, I actually want to have it on the top, if you don't mind. Okay. Robert, just a question. In here, how can I go to the next line in this? Well, making I mean for the ends, so I can actually choose where the end of the line is. for the next sentence. Because that's kind of what I'm trying to do here. That's something what I Oh, no, you cannot do that. So I'm kind of wondering how you do that. Multi-line. Wow. I think I just noticed it. Wow. I feel really smart these days. I can tell you that, Robbie. Um, I want to make that black. Now the reason is I don't have any reason for that. Wow. I want to have a little bit of a transparency in here. So that looks quite nice and fun. Now the cool thing about this is in here I actually can put a border in there. But does it look good inside a border? I say always no. On the web pages, I can understand that you put it in there, but there will be a here in game there will be a logo in there, and there will be text on it. So that's kind of why I say no to that. So yeah, there's a lot of things what's in there. So basically saying I'm actually doing it wrong, I guess. But I don't mind that. What I can also do, I'm just thinking about it. I can also make it this green and I'll make it black. And I put it like that. It's in the black anyway, so you don't see it. So I can make it a little bit more better. That's also a good idea, actually. I kind of I really forgot about that. I must be honest. Um, I don't want to make it too dark. Also because I want to have it nice and not ugly. Alright, I'm quite happy with this result. It was the same like I did just a minute ago. Intro page. I need to have some text in here. Text. Hey, yeah, you can outline. It's only when it is round you cannot do it. Oh no. I need to make it visible first. Really? Alright. I love really my stuff right now. I really need to type in there. I want to have this, can I making it lock down on that position? That's kind of what I miss. That's kind of what I really miss. Oh well. Oh, what? Okay, that's strange. Mm. What's happening over there? Oh, you can do it also in a script. That's not really a bad idea, actually. If I'll be honest. I don't know how to do that, so let me search that up for a bit. I'm making text filled with a script. Oh, wait. Roblox video. Um, so basically, I need to have this and I need to have this, right? I mean, I don't really need much. Is that a text label? Oh my lord, I feel stupid, man. Oops. Oopsie. That's right. I actually mean to do a text label. I feel stupid right now, man. I feel really stupid right now. Sorry. Yeah, you're right. Oh, man. Yeah, that's true. I feel stupid, man. I feel really stupid. That was just stupid. Yeah, I actually meant that one. I actually meant that one, man. Oh, what was I thinking? Because there I can. But here can hold on. Interactable, no. Uh, I don't need this one actually, because I'm going to do that on my way. Label, that is gone basically. I don't need that. Text color is actually white because I have a dark background. And the background, this one needs to be. I forgot what. Let's make it. I don't know, 20. Let's see how big that is. Actually, I can. Really smart of me testing it with white color on a white background. Every day I really feel myself that I'd be smarter. Wow. Yeah, that was a very smart idea. And let's pick a nice readable option. For reading, because I like actually that people can read properly, I might go for this thing. But I don't need really that need to be rich. That looks actually really good. So this one can be gone. And I can put is it a local script or is it a script? Wow. Whoa. That's a lot, man. Local script? Okay, thanks. Yeah, I'm. I would tell you this, Robe. I try to understand when I actually need to have a local or when I do a script. Now I know when I have dealing with players, I mean for the player itself, then I know it is a local, but that's kind of how I think. But so I don't need that. Clear focus. I don't really need that. I don't need that. I only need these. This is just a test, and no, that goes for you. Really? I actually didn't know that. That is quite helpful, man. Like this? Ah. Thanks, man. I'm quite new to you, with UI design, so I really want to understand that. Hey, well, it works. Well, that works. But I see, by the way, that the text is too big, so I need to adjust that a little bit. But I think, if I'll be honest, let's go back. I think actually this is not really a bad text font, text size, because that's actually not really that bad. So I like this a lot. Ooh. The only thing what I don't like is I don't see it here. All right. Welcome to the intro page of the. Damn, how am I going to call this? Welcome to the help page. Oh, welcome to the. Here in the help section, you can see guidance when you need some help on how things are working in this game. Welcome to help with the player. Here's in the help section where you can see guidance when you need help. Dot. Let's make it a little bit more proper English, guys, on how things are working in this game. Now let's put this on the other one because that makes it a little bit more better. And this tacos can be. Ooh, this needs to be on next line. I don't know how precisely it works, but I think this is something. Let's go back. Let's do that. That looks quite good, isn't it? I mean, that looks not bad, guys. That text really make no sense at all. I was just reading it up and I kind of like, am I drunk or something, man? Am I drunk there? I mean, I mean, it was not really what you say proper, well, English. Let's put that one on 6. Oh yeah, that's better readable. I still want to have. Yeah, that's not actually working, but I need to move that one a little bit down. Help pages, that one needs to be a little bit more down. Yeah, I don't really care about that. And then I really need to care about this a little bit. But I'm not going to do that either. Reason is I actually need to have those things bound over there. I don't want that, but I need to. Or I can do it kind of like this. That looks a little bit better if I'll be honest. Text label stayed the same, so I don't have really an issue with that. But now I don't have those lines over there, so it really looks cleaner. I actually want to have that because otherwise, yeah, it doesn't look really that great. And yeah, I don't want to have that. But when I was reading that thing, this is actually really bad. Can you check out the pages that can help you further in game? You can. I really said you can. You can. You can check out pages that can help you further. That can help you further in the game. You further in game. All the things. How game on how this game on how this game works. I actually love this. Here you can check out page that can help me out for the game. Can can you read about the game elements? Wow, really good typing. Elements. Jeez. When you are stuck in game. Um, seek some clarity on how things works. I think that is kind of too big. Yeah. Let's not put that here. The hole. Yeah. All right. That was not really that big. Come on, dude. Really? Okay, well then I need to put this in my next line. And I need to use this one. Oh, I don't want to have this. Oh my god. Uh, can I need to put that in there, and that you can seek some clarity on how things are working. Uh, I don't want. Uh, I don't know how it looks, but look that up right here, and else I think you can. Did I really did that? You can read. Why I always do that? I don't know why. Can you read about the game elements? Uh, we have. We have. Uh, can I still do this? I really love writing scripts and whatnot. Clarity. Is that really a word what I can use in this sentence? I mean, I'm not really English, so it's not really English or American. Um, is working. Are working. It is working. I'm not really good with that. No, are working. That sounds better. Well, you can see some clarity. Clarity. Guidance. Actually, I want to post that on this side. Reason is that is better. in needs to go there. That's too big. So that needs to be here. The thing is, guys, I actually want to do it more, but I'm not going to. The reason is I'm not going to make it. I mean, it's quite fun, this, but I didn't know there was kind of a lot of stuff with this. Hmm. I didn't know you can actually do with those brackets. That's kind of cool though. So I kind of like this. I think I can do that also in. I need to seek. Hold on. Um. kind of crazy, man. Yeah, I needed to check something out. I needed just to check something out. Um. So this is the rest is just text. So not really designing. So I will actually will do something else for that. No worries. I do not forget about you guys. I just need to set up a few things, and when I'm done with that, everything will be just fine. A little bit more professional, if you want to say it like that. Just a little logo in there. So I have at least something where I can work further with. So that's the thing. And this is non-bugs. Known page. That's that. I will not put an image in there. Although I can. I'm not sure yet how I'm going to do that. I was thinking about it, but then I was kind of like, you know. So I need to do a ton of things in there, but I will not make that board for you guys. I'm not going to do that because that's bad. So I'm not going to do that. So this is actually working. So I actually love this. And for the people that are actually wondering, why is this guy doing here? Is the controller also working? I will say check out the icons below in the screen. It actually does. When I'm standing still and I move with my mouse again, you see that the PC things are back. And when I start moving again with the gamepad or whatever, yeah, it's actually really functioning. So The only known bug is yeah, gamepads with cameras and that kind of crap. No easy stuff, guys. But if the camera is good, you actually will see this. And I must say, I really love this view. This is when you play with a keyboard, you see this view. But I actually need to see how I can fix this. Because I really want to work like that. But with T, you can actually press X and you actually get that to work. Oh, wow. All right. I don't have a close one, so... oops. I kind of forgot to add that. But as you see, it's fully working. Quite interesting. I was looking for the behavior to, yeah, to let people know, or to let people know on how things are working. So you see that. The only thing what I need to let it work is actually this. This is basically what I need in that help guides. Basically. Only not with the teleport attached to it. So the teleport element can be gone, basically. Um, so that is the fun thing. Now I might need to have still this. But I don't need to do... I don't need to do the teleport things. So that is the thing. So now I just need to find out how I am going to do this. But everything will be okay. So for the next element is actually skills. Um, mm, 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 mm. So basically when you press H, where did I put it again? Because I need to put some stuff in there. I need two things basically. So I have 2 false and I have 2 good ones. So my hotbar, my lobby hotbar, lobby hotbar, it's there. Oh wait, hotbar. Zero one, and I have hotbar 02. Alright, no, top and down. That's better. I still need to make it, guys, so no worry. I know what to do. Hotbar down. Up, down, and I actually need to declare it up here. So that's not really a problem. Not really. We need to declare this. Let's do that. Lobby. Bar. That's not with that. Lobby hotbar. Lobby hotbar. The devices. Hotbar top. Hotbar down. False. And that's the same with that. We need to have that one still, so we need to declare that also in the other one. So we don't need to forget that one. I already thought that. Yep. So we need to actually have that. And I forgot to put local in front. Local, and I actually need a different name. Top bar. Hold on. Bar top 001. And bar down 001. Blah blah blah. Lobby. Hot bar. Lobby. Hot bar. Devices. Then we need to copy this. We don't need that. Hold on. Damn you! Now we just need to copy this. So everything is working, guys. False. 001. 001. So why don't we press this now? Mm. I don't need that. Yep. I need to have this one too. I don't know that I will actually fuck this up, but hey, how you doing? Oh yeah, I can. But then is the thing, do I want to do that? Because I'm kinda working on something here. Okay, I don't like that. We need to fix that for a bit. Mm, mm. Oh, wait. Oops. I have a second row. I kind of forgot that, guys. Still not working. What the hell? Oops, I do it totally wrong. But that's good. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I just... let's get that away. Uh, Teleport to selected. Oh, wait. That's actually correct. It's mouse button click. I feel stupid. This is actually really good. That worked. I would tell you I forgot something actually. On the help one. Yeah, I forgot something. I don't like when I forgot something. Okay. Yeah, I need to edit the size a little bit, guys. Yeah, that was not very smart. Ooh, I can actually make it a little bigger. Oh yeah. Mm-mm. That's a tight fit, my friends. Oh, tight fit, guys. Really a tight fit. Oh my. Really a tight fit. Let's say around. There's 3 and it's 9. So that is 10. Hey, thank you, Planet Lua. Thank you, man. Button color. That can be a little bit spicy. Hello. Sometimes that sounds very wrong if I say it like that. Also, the close button with the color can actually not be black. That is kind of weird. Not when it is that. How did I do that one then? I'm not a script guy, so let's see. I think I forgot something. Oh no. No, I can still enable it. It's see, yeah. Yeah, see, it's white. It's white. Close button. Border mode. No. Also, I need to enable this one again. If I want to see it. That makes life a little bit easier. I mean, when you cannot see it, it's actually not really a good thing. Alright. Now I kind of forgot what. How do they do that? Hmm. Did I turn on wrapped? That's kind of crazy. How the hell did I do that? Yep, I see it already. That's one is wrong. That's weird. That's a weird thing. Mm-hmm. Hey, rat. Thank you for your follow, Fox. Thank you, man. Well, I do my best on that. And I will tell you, this is actually my first time that I really do this stuff. So for the people that are wondering what I'm doing here, well, some parts, but I will tell you my game. It has to buffer? Go to YouTube, buddy. I have also a YouTube one. Try that one. That's kind of why I stream on 2 platforms. So yeah, it's something. It can be that something is happening on your side, because I don't have really that a big bit rate, if I'll be honest. I just have it on 6,000. So yeah, if you are walking in here, you can actually do it with gamepad too. And a beautiful part of this is, yeah, look down in the screen below those buttons. I stand still. I click my mouse again, or move. The PC settings are back. When I'm moving again with my gamepad, look like here. It's gamepad settings again. And when I do the mouse again, it's go back down there to PC controls. And does this work? Yep. I press X. Corner. Now the thing is with the camera settings, I need to fix that somehow. But I was reading that this one is kind of a common thing in here. In Roblox for people. So so I really want to try to fix this because yeah, that will be a lot better for you guys as well. So actually I want to try B. So that's working. All right. So I still need to make this happen. So it's not really a problem. So I need to make the same with this kinda. I actually want to script the behavior. But you don't need to teleport. So that is the whole thing. But the thing is, I know that you can do this with pages, but I want a clean approach with that. So basically, yeah, I really want to have a nice, clean approach to this. Um, we love this. So that is the thing. Let's get that close button to work, because that will be yeah, very nice. And I just take the close button thing, because that's it basically. And I just going to why I'm doing that? I need to copy this one. Shit. What was I thinking? Just paste into. What was I thinking? Teleport system, and then this one is actually help guides. Let's not call this screen guy. Let's call this help guy. Now we need to change that. Otherwise, it is not really working. So let's make everything work here. And let's copy this. I need to have that a few times. Let's put that there. First ancestor. No way, man. I don't need that. Hold on. I just need to have these. Because I need to have that for below. Let's call this, for God's sake, for no interference. All of this in that script. But I don't want to have an interference with everything. That's actually really a good thing, guys. Let's put that back over there. Let's put it there. Let's make this true. And let's make that true. And let's make this bar top 002. Bar down, actually. So that is actually a lot better. So that enable that and disable that. So that's perfect. Button first answers a help guide. Let's test this. I'm going to do this different. How did he do that over there? Oh, yeah. I see it. I'm not going to do that. I'm doing and making it easy. Not sure that that is working, but that's another problem for later. Because this is actually what we need. Hey, hello, man. You switched to audio. Didn't YouTube work? I mean, that's always working. That guy made actually a good call. That's kind of crazy, but I just want to have it work. Because that makes my life a little bit easier. I see my internet is a little bit dropping, so I hope everything will be okay. Because my provider is not really that I say great at the moment. He's having some issues there. Always nice guys. Hold on, guys. I got a message. All right. Can I do this with my key thing too? I'm just wondering how I'm going to do this. But that's not working. I kind of like that. So I really love this, guys. It's kind of shaping. Kind of shaping. But I still miss something that I say really like, oh yeah, I really missed that. Um, So basically saying, well, that's working. Now I need to make it work with that, basically. Hold on. Do I need to do it on everything? So I really need to do these? Holy mo. This is crazy what you need to do there. This is a lot of things. Physical frenzy. Oh, wow. You have also selection order? Holy really? Wow. Okay. Not sure how I'm going to do this, but alright, let's see this. So I need to have also an order. That's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, basically saying we need to fix a ton of stuff. I need to have something like this. Thing is, I don't need these. So let's copy this just. We need to change a few things. One, I don't need to have the teleport spots. I don't need these. Teleport system, I really don't need that. Screen UI is button frame. You have a project idea? Oh wow. And what is that? Seems we're going to disable a few things in here again. Oh, which is not that bad. We're going to work with this. Not sure that everything will be good. So basically, I don't need this. Let's see. Let's see that this is working. Um. What is her name again? Yeah, and about that. Thank you. Mm-mm. I'll tell you, this is not easy. So sorry that I was kind of not responding. I'm really sorry for that. It's just a whole new thing for me, so and I want to do it perfectly, if you know. So how are you holding up, guys? How is your day going so far? Um, oh yeah. I think that's it. Mm, That's the right error. Come on, dude. Was this an else? Let's redo that one. Let's fix that for a bit. Very skilled with voices. You want to see it like that? Wrong typing. Oh, that's working. I don't know how you do this. Really? Okay. Really? The what? Where? Oh man, it's not that easy that I have thought. I don't like this one. Sorry guys that I did not talk much. I'm just reading and just doing things. So I'm just trying to understand what I'm doing. It's not easy for somebody that don't know anything about this, so but I actually try to understand what I'm doing in here. So it's quite nice and working, so why do I miss something in there? Uh, start, lead, that, corner park, Nova Park. Oh no, it's still there. Whew. I was already thinking, what the hell? Alright. I'm kinda done for today. But I can say it was quite fun. But yeah, this is not an easy thing. So I'll definitely will dive more into the creation, because if I got that to work, we are actually going for making that happen. And then we need to make something which will run a script, or that it says, okay, well, when I have that, I need to add a number. I need to have a ton of information for the other one for being placed there. I have a ton of things what I need to add for the skills one. So I cannot wait for making that, because that will be a very, very interesting day when that is happening. But overall, I'm quite happy with results on what we got today, and it was kind of figuring everything out. So yeah, everything will be just fine. Now, I really like to thank you guys on the chat, and sorry again that I was a little bit silenced, but yeah, I was kind of dragged into the UI making and solving a problem that I kind of forgot the chat. So sorry for that. But yeah, this weekend I'm going further with that. I want to make it work. I really want to make it work so I can show you something on Monday. It can be also that I tomorrow will go further with Roblox because I noticed my my niche, what I like to play in or what to do is actually Roblox Studio. But I also want to play a game like Diablo 3, which we're going to play tomorrow. So for me, tomorrow is troubleshooting, and a Sunday for the menu to get it to work. Yeah, sorry guys. And yeah, everything will be all right, I think. And tomorrow we're just going to have some fun with Diablo again, with Diablo 3. I might do a character, yeah, I might just going to play a character that is outside the solo found mode. So yeah, solo found mode, solo found. I think you know what I'm saying. So that's kind of what I'm doing. But I might just create a character that I just would do without, and see what I can do with that. So, like I said, I hope that you had really a great day. And yeah, like I always say, be chill, be relaxed, and always be yourself, whatever you do in your life. And I will see you tomorrow with a Diablo 3 stream. Just a little bit relaxing, having a fun time. And then you see me Monday back with another Roblox Studio stream. And until then, I wish you a great weekend. And if you love Diablo 3, you are welcome to be there tomorrow. Same time, same guy, and the same vibe. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Have a great day.